we're looking to short 153 and 152.60 actually, and 152.50 and 153.10, I remember. Okay, we do not really expect the market to move above level 1, and this level 1 here is showing here. This is just a 15-minute chart. The market, of course, did an A and a B correction. Now it is doing a C, and that C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, just maybe one more leg into C, and this would dictate that we expect this kind of move. We can get to see 153 and 153.05 and 153.22. If we're already short at 152.6 and 152.5, we hold that short. All right, we are able then to add at 153.10 and we're here now already short 152.60. We're able to add at 153.10 and 153.30 or 153.40. They're all below level 1s. We're still having negative momentum on the 1 hour and the 4 hour charts, so the trade is valid. All that is going on is just that correction floor. Takes you to 152.80, takes you to 152.50, takes you to 153.10, maybe even 153.40. So we would want to compile shorts at these levels. This is now the 15-minute chart, and according to this we have already finished an A and a B, and that C already the internal 1, internal 2, 3, 4. We can just get to see these shorting levels. If we get to see them, we want to distribute a short entry or a short position between 153.20, 153 and 152.90. If we're already short 152.60, just below that 152.70, we just have to add at 153 and 153.20. The stops for all of these is above the breakout high for the week, 154.80. We remind ourselves that if once the position, if we're able to short these levels, we're shorting that zone here, 152.7 and 153.10, takes us to this neckline 150.49 and 150, 149.5 and 150. We're having, of course, we're moving inside of that Elliott structure on the 4 hour chart, takes you to 150 and of course 149 shows at 148.69 here. So let's just review that structure before we move on, and we are nowhere inside even 50% of that structure. This is our Elliott structure, and we probably just rejected the moving average. All of these are sells. Next move down will take you to the neckline on the daily, which is 150 and 149.50. This is that neckline on the daily, 150 and 150, showing here that 149.94 and 149.5 just at and below 149 below that neckline. So we are still respecting this Elliott structure. These levels are sells. We have them very big red arrows to highlight the entries. We probably just filled only 1/3 with a stop above level 2 here, 154.8, and if we don't get to see these higher levels, 153.4 or 153.3 and 153, we would consider to go full size once we have negative momentum on the 15-minute chart. This is what we're seeing now. Still, we get potential to have another drive up into that 15-minute chart, and even on the 5-minute chart, even though it is much weaker.